Alright, so we're at Climb Fitness, right, out here in Bakersfield, California. Our first time we're doing a grand opening outside of the Antelope Valley. Alright, got some nice stuff set up. Alright, some vendors out here doing their thing, which is really nice for the community. Hey, how you doing? It's really nice to have for your community. Alright, positive things like that. Alright. So that's what you want to have, you know. Out here, Bakersfield, California, right? Again, our first time doing a grand opening somewhere besides Antelope Valley. You have to spread your wings, right? You have to, you know, grow what you're doing. You know, that's how you get better. You challenge yourself, right? You expand what you're doing, right? That's what you do, right? It's very important to do stuff like that, right? To get to know more people, right? That are entrepreneurs, that are business owners, that are into doing great things, right? You know, it's just love. It's really important. So, you know, make sure you do that, or always challenge yourself. It's very important.
Guys, thank you so much for coming today for our grand opening ribbon cutting. Everyone that's here means something special to us, so we really appreciate that you guys made it. When Christy and I first started talking about this, it was a dream we didn't think would happen. So we're glad that you guys are here to participate.
Many years ago, we started talking about it, and finally happened. We had to convince our husbands, and so everyone should be thankful they said yes. And I'm glad you guys are all here today. If you haven't had a chance to try out the workout, definitely get on them. Yeah.
Welcome to the Champions Playbook business consulting firm, where we specialize in multiplying your business sales with our business growth habits and business partnership development. If you are not using business partnerships to grow your business sales, then you are missing out on thousands of dollars every week. Join our free newsletter, Winners Business Partnerships. We will show you how businesses are using partnerships to grow and scale their business, sales, and how you can too. We also have an exclusive business community, the Secret Sales Growth Club Silver. This is an exclusive club that provides you with access to businesses and entrepreneurs that you can partner with to multiply your business sales. You will also get extras like exclusive Silver Club only interviews, weekly sales training, access to exclusive Silver member-only events. Just go to thechampionsplaybooktcp.com to sign up for the newsletter and the Secret Sales Growth Club Silver at the top and bottom of our homepage. We look forward to helping you multiply the sales of your business.
Check it out. You can go inside. You can kind of give it a little tour. You can hop on there if you want. Take your heels off first. Or try the heels. So thank you to all, especially our instructors. A lot of our instructors raise your hand. A lot of our instructors are here. Instructors right here. All right. Thank you to the Chamber for coming out and organizing it.
You, Christy and Nicole, so appreciate you guys. We were talking in the office this morning, and I think one of the things that we just feel about your business is like just how inspiring you are. I remember going to the opening of Level in the winter of 2020, and then obviously we all knew what happened. And I mean, one of the success stories of finding a way to pivot during the pandemic, I think really these two ladies right here. And to see you all not just keep your business, but to now grow into the second location. This is what we're here. So congratulations. I mean, it's heartwarming. It's really inspiring that you guys have been able to do this. So we're excited to be here on behalf of the Chamber and celebrate you. And we have a bunch of folks here who are going to celebrate you and treat you with all sorts of certificates of recognition. First we'll start with federal level. So on behalf of Congressman Kevin McCarthy, we've got Harry Binzel.
My name is Terry Finzel. I'm here on behalf of Congressman Kevin McCarthy. Like Nick said, amazing that you got through the pandemic. That's great. I've done your classes with the congressman and his detail, and I'll just say that not everyone walked out of there. I did. I walked out of there, but no, physical fitness is important. I'm a Marine. It's been a part of my life. But you know, doing different things, I really like it, and I look forward to coming and trying it once my arm heals. So I tore my bicep. So on behalf of the congressman, I'd like to give you a certificate of congressional recognition.
I'm just the mom.
Okay.
This is going to be the main thing. Thank you.
On behalf of State Senator Shannon Grow, we've got Kenneth Lerner.
Yes, and it's already been said, but I think that these ladies are responsible for keeping a lot of the legislative offices here in Kern County in shape, and I'm very excited to potentially try out some of your workouts, so I'm very much looking forward to that. On behalf of Senator Grove, we also have a certificate of recognition for us honoring your commitment to our community and what you've done, not only advancing our health and our fitness, but also creating jobs and helping out our economy. So on behalf of Senator Grove, I'd like to present the certificate of recognition. Thank you for that.
Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it.
The man, the myth, the legend. He serves in Sacramento, so he enjoys punishment. So that's why he comes to your presence.
Well, welcome everybody. I'm here to tell you that you're all here for a surprise workout. It'll be great. These two ladies are amazing people, friends, and business owners. Super excited that they were able to open this new facility. I am a member of Level and Climb, so I can speak from personal experience that you will not regret trying this workout if you haven't tried it already. So I am still trying to PR. I beat Lazzarini, so the bar is set a little lower for me, but I'm really excited for today. Please try this workout. It is the newest craze here in Kern County in Bakersfield, and I'm really excited to present the certificate for the grand opening of Climb by Level Fitness, and I'm looking forward to being on the wall here as well.
Just a few more. Really good before. Thank you, Ben.
All right, and now, woman of the hour, Madam Mayor, here we go.
It was so joyous to hear you talk about why you went into this business, your passion, your heart for people, to make people healthy. You were talking about your dream. Through what you do, you enable our people to achieve their dreams. If it's not just for fitness, their dreams because they're healthy. And so today, as a community, we joined with you in celebrating your friends, your trainers, all of us together. Thank you for helping us to climb to achieve those
Perfect. Thank you so much.
And now, my boss, Ms. Haynes.
Big scissors. Better. You know how it was to be
Oh my goodness.
The kids have been talking about the scissors for years. Come on, Les.
All the instructors, you guys, Kendall, Megan, you guys can get in. Wendy, because I dressed up. Come on, Jeremy. Come on, Taylor. Student between you guys. Yes.
Take pictures while you're in a picture. Here's a finger.
I need some help. Well, you want to go through the middle and then all right.
No, you're okay. Don't worry.
Put your hand on the bottom part. Put it down there.
Okay.
All right. There we go.
Look forward and smile. Okay, we're gonna do 2 counts of 3. 1, 2, 3.
4, 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1. Cut.
So this is the inside. Forget average, be legendary. It's powerful. So that's the logo and everything. Really nice refreshments, right, snacks. Really nice. See the merch, right? And it's a collaboration with Nike. It's really nice. Everything's really nice over here. Nice shelving, cups. Alright. Check out the entire gym area. Let the beat control your body. It's the workout area. Really nice. Excuse me, sir. Oh, sorry about that. Very nice equipment, right? So they have these climbing machines, which are really nice. The lighting here is really nice. That fan set up top. People trying out the equipment. They have the branding on their equipment as well. Really nice. Have the mirrors on this side.
We've intermingled that quite a few times over the years.
Winning plays every day. TCP will show you the way. Accomplish your goals and never fold. Just follow the winning plays that you've been told. The Champion's Playbook will help you win, and your success will never end. Winning plays, winning plays.